Hello everyone, is Alibaba stock indeed undervalued or it's a value trap? Today we are going to do not only technical but also fundamental analysis using my discounted cash flow calculator for figure out what's going on this company's health and furthermore what we can expect in future. First of all, I would like to show you my view about technical analysis of Alibaba Group Holdings, due to the reason that it's much considerable to understand and to illustrate a company's chart in your mind for recognizing the level range that the company is running out. So let's start and understand that this level range here, it can be called as a consolidation due to the reason that we can confirm this level in previous years. If you will go back some years more, you can absolutely understand that in 2016 and 2017, these levels here have already confirmed and have already worked as support levels. So it's the first one that I would like you to keep in your mind. Furthermore, I would like to go in 4 hours time frame and show you that we have parallel level range. As you can understand that this level is much important and you can recognize that we are right now in a level, it's much important point that maybe here we can have a good breakout at this level. Okay, in future we can again test this level and again go back and test the levels, some previous levels, for example here or here. Okay, but it can be our entry can be the start for the company to grow up and to go again back in the levels that actually Alibaba's was in the past years ago. Right now I would like to show you and keep going my discounted cash flow calculator and to take into consideration all of the risks, of course, and this it could be an example for an initial investment for a portfolios of an investor. Okay, just imagine that our initial investment can be 10,000. We are going to looking for weighted average cost of capital, and as you can understand, we can take it from from every site, online site that can provide this information. The WACC is 5.88 and we are going to click here this number. Just keep going, and the average we need here, the average percentage of free cash flow in 23, 22 and some previous years before. Unfortunately here we can see that we are going just 2022. Okay, we can figure out that in 2023 was about 29.57 increase. 29.6 okay increase for 22, and the 3 years ago we can take it from this online site, okay, the stock analysis, and take this growth and copy, paste it and adjust it in our model. Perfect. Right now we comparing the net present value of our potential future cash flows, and we took the average of them. It's 22%, it's much higher, and as you can understand, this difference of percentage that the companies just keep going growth. Besides that, the company stock it has fallen. It's not much important right now because we can see it's clearly substantially the price can go much higher due to the reason that there is much growth for this company. As you can understand, is it worth? The answer here is yes. And right now I would like to be a little bit more strict about this company and reduce this average of percentage from 22 on 10%, and it's still worth. I would like to go in the final level and state that the company maybe in future years have some struggles, have some difficulties, okay, maybe have some big losses, and just undervalued the company, right? Overvalued the company right now, and just adjust the 5% of average percentage of free cash flow growth. Yeah, it's much lower than the initial we are calculating from the previous years, but I would like to try to do this. And as you can see, that is it worth? And the answer is again yes. It's clearly that the Alibaba stock has fallen much percentage down from the previous years, and many people can be afraid that maybe it can be a value trap or something like that. As I show you that it's a good potential not only on technical analysis here, but also in discounted cash flow model. There are so many criteria that actually boost someone to open a trade in this company, and I absolutely agree with that, due to the reason that I don't think that there is much risk in this company, because the health is enough good, the percentage, we have consolidations here, the level of the parallel is good, we have some enough strength in our support level. Okay, we also have some resistance level that we have to break out, but just we can to start with breaking this level. Okay, it's not important that maybe right now the Alibaba stock just can be fallen again and come back here. It's not so big problem, due to the reason that we can trust the numbers of this company. Okay, and because some weeks after this happen, if something like that can happen, it can go back again. So I suggest for somebody to just to take into consideration all of the elements that actually I right now explain to you, and take right decision about this company. Don't be afraid to open a position and to have some losses. For example, if you would like to put your stop loss about this range that I've already drawn, is about 40% almost. It's not so risky, because I believe that I have enough expectations for future for this company, and can be to go about 35, 30, 40% above of the price that actually right now Alibaba's is now. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and just keep in your mind to understand all of the economy and to illustrate a company's health, which I can expect it on all of these elements, on all of these criteria, that can you figure out and understand what exactly happened on Alibaba's stock and what we can expect on future, because I believe that there are more potentials to go up. Thank you very much. Goodbye.